Today I'm going to show you something incredibly rare. This is a 3-bedroom ground floor, so completely accessible apartment on the glorious beach of Praia Antonio Sousa. Being ground floor, it is secure, extremely secure. It enjoys this amazing 180-degree view of the ocean. And moving inside, bear in mind, of course, that the shutters are shut at the moment. Outside space is something we will come to in a moment, but for now, inside, of course, we have our garden furniture here at the moment. But you come into this beautiful, beautiful lounge area, fantastically decorated, in excellent order throughout. These shutters will, of course, open to let light flood in. Fans in every room. Again, these are balcony doors to be opened up. You have your kitchen, fitted kitchen here. Oven, fridge and freezer in here. Everything is working. There's plenty of dining furniture, and of course, everything is included in the price. Walking through from this glorious living room, you then have 3 bedrooms, and actually the scope for more. Here we have the first bedroom. Beautiful. Shutters again that open to let the light flood in. Moving through, we have an enormous walk-in wardrobe here. The current owner, who is someone with immaculate taste, has done a huge number of improvements to make this not only a really attractive apartment, but a very practical one. So here we have a twin, lovely and quiet. Again, shutters out. And this being a ground floor, you do have to be concerned about security. So there are grills on every door. Then the 3rd bedroom is an ensuite. Here we have a utility area, and this door here shuts behind us to give you utter privacy. A wonderful bathroom. Walk-in shower, again, completely accessible. Great taste. And what the owner calls their winter bedroom. These fans are all working here. Again, these doors can be opened out to give you more light. It's stunning, and it's absolutely huge in beautiful decorative order. Everything has been tastefully designed, not just to be attractive, but as I say, for everyday living. And it has been lived in by the owner for many parts of the year. So now we will take a look outside at, shall we say, the surprise. So not only do you have this gorgeous patio with sunshine all afternoon, it's west facing, so when the sun sets, it will be right in front of you. A place to watch the yachts, the ships, the surfers go by. There's a surf point right in front of you. Glorious, uninterrupted views leading to the south of the island. So yes, you would think this is enough, but no. Around the side of this amazing, amazing ground floor 3-bed is a summer outside kitchen, a shower. So absolutely no need to bring any sand into the house. And then a huge wow factor. This cannot really be called a garage. This is a whole new outside dimension. So shutters to kitchen, to the bedrooms lead out onto what is simply an enormous garage or workshop, or with planning permission, shop, fourth bedroom, fifth bedroom. Really, the possibilities here are endless. Look at this. Just stunning. People usually have to compromise to live at Praia Antonio Sousa. They have to compromise on space. Storage, for example. To go for maybe a penthouse that the price is high, the space is limited, but you get the views. Here, you have everything. You have the space. 230 square meters of space. Larger than some villas. With the fact that you are here at this incredible wild coastline, great surfing. The town is less than 10 minutes walk. The beach, the swimming beach, is just to our right, maybe 2 minutes walk. You have a shop, you have Buddha Beach Hotel. It's a developing area, so there are an increasing number of good little boutique cafes, for example. Angelo's and Columbus Restaurant are just there. And all this space. It's an absolute one to snap up, in my opinion.